Welcome to Luxury Lighting, your source for lighting design that's as practical as it is beautiful. In today's video, we're tackling one of the most overlooked yet essential parts of your home, the bathroom. From choosing the right vanity lights to finding the best options for ceiling fixtures and mirrors, we're breaking down how to get bathroom lighting done right. Let's start with the vanity. This is where good lighting matters most. For grooming, makeup, and daily routines, you want even, shadow-free illumination. Ideally, install sconces on either side of the mirror at eye level to provide balanced light across the face. If wall space is limited, a horizontal light above the mirror can work. Just make sure it's wide enough to distribute light evenly. Now let's talk ceiling lighting. Many bathrooms rely on a single overhead fixture, but that alone can leave corners dim and cast unflattering shadows. Recessed lighting can help brighten the entire space without overwhelming it. And if you're working with a larger bathroom or want to add a focal point, consider a flush mount or even a small chandelier for a touch of elegance. Mirror lighting has come a long way. Today's lighted mirrors offer built-in LEDs that are sleek, modern, and incredibly functional. Many models feature adjustable color temperatures, which is ideal for switching between cool light for precision tasks and warmer tones for a relaxing evening routine. Some even include fog-resistant glass and touch controls for added convenience. Don't forget color temperature and brightness. Aim for lighting in the 2,700K to 3,000K range for a warm, flattering glow. Look for fixtures with a CRI of 90 or above for accurate color rendering, especially important at the vanity. And finally, safety matters. Make sure all bathroom fixtures are rated for damp or wet locations, especially those near showers or bathtubs. The right lighting transforms your bathroom from purely functional to a relaxing, stylish retreat. For all the products featured in today's video, check the description below. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to Luxury Lighting for more expert tips and design inspiration.